Does aircon condenser require chemical cleaning? An aircon condenser is one of the most important parts of a simple air conditioning unit. It is vital that a condenser is cleaned and properly maintained to help keep the aircon working fine and avoid any possible noise. In this video, you will find out what you need to know about chemical cleaning and if it is really necessary in order to keep your condenser cleaned up. Does aircon condenser require chemical cleaning? To answer this question, yes. You will find that for some people that they do not need it because their aircons are still somewhat clean. However, if you want your aircon and the condenser to work all fine for months or even years to come, a quick chemical cleaning is the way to go. Why? Simply because plenty of bacteria can thrive and develop in these areas, causing most of the coil and the parts of the aircon to bring out dirty air. Chemical cleaning is so much easier and more effective. It is also an affordable option that will never ruin your budget. What happens in a chemical washing? In this service, your aircon is going to have different chemicals become washed throughout your entire aircon. Some people believe that using water is a strong enough solution, but it sure isn't the best decision at this point because it can only clean some parts of the aircon and not properly dissolve all the dangerous bacteria built up inside. You will find that chemical washing is very simple and easy enough to have a professional do for you, so it is worth getting this. Can I clean it on my own? Feel free to try and clean it on your own, but expect to have a slightly harder time trying to make sure that every part of the condenser is completely cleansed of its overall bacteria, which cannot be easily cleaned up. It is very easy to actually have a professional do this. It makes it so much more relaxing and easy on you. A condenser is also not easy to find in an aircon if you have no clue on what you are doing when you open your air conditioning unit. Chemical cleaning is definitely one of the most important things you want to look out for to ensure that your aircon is clean.